Hey everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of authentication failed on the application of Netflix. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we search about the application of Netflix and we click here. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.